Subpoenas under the Uniform Civil Procedure Rules are a powerful way of obtaining evidence for a court proceeding, but they are subject to strict procedural requirements and cannot be used simply to search for information that might assist your case. A subpoena is a court-issued document requiring a person to produce documents, attend court to give evidence, or both. It may be directed to a party to the litigation or a non-party, such as a bank, accountant, employer, consultant, government agency, or former employee who holds relevant evidence. Queensland law recognises 3 types of subpoenas: a subpoena for production, a subpoena to give evidence, and a subpoena requiring both production and attendance. The type used depends on the evidence genuinely required. Importantly, a subpoena is not a general investigation tool. The documents or evidence sought must relate to the live issues in the proceeding and have a legitimate forensic purpose. A subpoena that is too broad, oppressive, or used as a substitute for the ordinary disclosure process may be set aside by the court. Careful drafting is therefore essential to ensure the request is sufficiently specific and proportionate. Strict procedural requirements also apply when issuing and serving a subpoena. The subpoena must be served within the required time, directed to the correct person, and where attendance is required, appropriate conduct money must generally be provided. Non-parties who incur significant expense complying with a subpoena may also be entitled to recover reasonable compliance costs. Producing documents under a subpoena does not automatically mean the other parties can inspect or use them. A recipient may object on grounds such as legal professional privilege, confidentiality, irrelevance, or repression, and the court retains control over whether inspection should be permitted. This is particularly important where commercially sensitive information or privileged documents are involved. Failing to comply with a valid subpoena can have serious consequences, including enforcement orders, cost consequences, and in some cases, contempt of court. Equally, issuing an invalid or overly broad subpoena can result in it being set aside, delaying proceedings and increasing legal costs. Because subpoenas often involve complex procedural rules, evidentiary issues, and strategic considerations, understanding when a subpoena is appropriate, how to draft it correctly, and how to respond if you've received one can have a significant impact on the outcome of a civil dispute. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our team of experienced litigation professionals and let us help you protect your rights.